Okay, hey everyone, we're gonna put on a new radiator cap here, but before we do it, I still have coolant in the reservoir, and this will be the third week of having the K-seal in. So let's take a look and see if we got, guess what, it's at the top, so it worked. The K-seal worked. There we go. New radiator cap's on. Do not open when hot. Well, the reason I got it is because if I have to open it when it's hot. Anyway, interesting thing, I got a larger alternator on here compared to the original that was on there, because those little wires, I was finding some underneath the shit. Okay, hey everyone, I just put in a new radiator cap. Before I did it, I checked, and we have radiator fluid, coolant fluid in my reservoir, and this is at the top. This will be the third week of having the K-seal in, and it worked. Interesting enough, I kept finding wires, and so and the other alternator was not charging at all. So I put on a 250 amp. Well, a friend and I, Charles, put on a 250 amp alternator, and it matched up with the original alternator. Okay, but for some reason the drive belt would only, the old drive belt was the only one that would fit. Put a new drive belt on. We went through two of them, I think. Yeah, actually four, because I got two from one auto parts store, and then I got another one from that same auto parts store and exchanged it, because the first one, the new one that I got, wouldn't fit. And then I went back, and the guy says, that doesn't make any sense, because the belts were the same size and everything else. And so then he gave me my money back, and I went to a different auto store, and they sold me another one. Said, yeah, this one should work. It's a little bit bigger. It did not work. Went back again and got a different one. Then we broke that one, and so we had to go back again. And finally, I think it was 1.25 inches larger is what we had to put on so that it would work with this alternator. And I'm not joking, man. It works like a charm. It really does. So I'm not complaining at all. Heck no. It charges and everything. So if you get, by chance, a larger alternator, because the other one I think was supposed to be 50 or something. This is a high output, 250 amp alternator. And so if you happen to get a new alternator and your belt doesn't fit, you may have to get a bigger belt. For some reason, we don't know if it offset it some or something, but it works now. That's what counts. Okay. So if this helped you out, leave a comment down in the bottom. Like I said, it's the third week of the K-seal, and I'm not dripping a single drop of radiator fluid or anything. So I'm a happy camper. And if this helps you out, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I couldn't leave a video this last week because they're tearing out the place below me, and they're using jackhammers and drills and saws and everything else. Power's going on and off, and so yeah, that was I haven't been able to send out anything or even record out here. I probably would have, to do this, I would have had to go down the road or something. So I'm going to keep the old radiator cap just for in case something happens and I have to use it, because there's really nothing wrong with it. But hey, you never know. Okay, so if you're in a warm place, go swimming, and if you're in a cold place, find a warm place to go swimming. And if you can't find a warm place to go swimming, snuggle up. Okay, we'll talk to y'all soon. Talk at you later. Love y'all. Bye.